You are at Yashoda?
Able to hear, sir?
Yes, we are able to hear you. This is Dr. Ramesh. Dr. Sudhir Rathore will speak to you about the RCA approach, how he's approached the RCA CTO. I will just show you some pictures.
Hi, hello
C
there.
minus.
So if we show you the pictures from start, you've already seen the LED CTO here, LED PCI here.
Can you make the sound a bit better?
Sound a bit better,
Yeah, so
please.
this
We
is
cannot hear the voice that well.
So,
Okay, so can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Right, I'm Sudhir Rathore, so I've just joined in for the right coronary PCI. As you've already seen this left ventricle descending PCI, I was guided. So we've just taken simultaneous bilateral injection to demonstrate the exact physiology and the anatomy of the right coronary artery CTO. So you can see it's a heavily calcified right coronary artery, which is filling by retrograde collateral, septal and epicardial up to the mid RCA segment. Can you see the LAO view, simultaneous injection?
Yeah, we can see the from
Okay.
here.
Yeah, we can show you the RA. So I think it's got a severe calcification, and there was a microchannel in the it's occluded from proximal to mid segment, heavily calcified.
Dr. Shashikant, there is a request from the coordinators
Yeah.
that we are running late, so can you wind up in 5
Yeah,
minutes, please?
could you just show
Yeah,
the next
we'll
shot?
wind up in 5
Next
minutes.
shot. This is the RAO shot, next shot. So we have taken a fine cross catheter with Fielder XT wire, as you can see here, which made some progress. It was difficult to cross the proximal vessel, but as you can see, there's a micro channel. So we have taken a very short tip of the Fielder XT wire. And can you see the next shot, please? Then we have confirmed it with a retrograde injection that we have nearly crossed the CTO segment. We are just at the distal cap. We need a few more millimeters. We are having some difficulty in the backup, so we are planning to maybe change the guide cap. Next shot, please. And as you can see in this view here, I think the distal tip is very close to the CTO segment. LAO again, please. We go to LAO. So we are struggling with I think you can discuss with the panelists at this point. We've taken the JR4 deliberately so that we can use an anchor balloon because of the heavy calcification in the ostium. But we are going to change the guide cath now because we're not able to. You can see that we're not able to push the fine cross catheter. It is backing up the system, and we need the good backup here to cross the wire distally all the way through the CTO segment. But we have nearly crossed it, and if it's short of time, we'll carry on and maybe show you the final shot at some later point.
Okay.
so any suggestion about the guiding catheter on the right side? This is another one.
So we are very close to the distal cap. So I think the bilateral angiography is very helpful here, but I think we need to change the guide cath as you can see here. So any suggestion about the guide cath here?
Any comment from the panelists?
No.
About the guide cath, what would you suggest?
Are they making any anchoring?
No anchoring. I think the proximal segment is very calcified and it's difficult to insert anything there. So I think what we have to do, maybe we can do the anchoring as well.
Really suggesting to put a microcatheter.
The microcatheter is not going forward.
Microcatheter is not going forward. So we will take maybe M-Plas guide cath now. And,
If you have got any mother and child
Yeah. Some
yeah.
outline.
Yeah, we could take
guideliner or
Maybe
something.
guideliner.
Yeah, we can take guideliner.
Subcomplex also they will approach after
We
RCA.
yeah, so we will take guideliner or EL1. And I think the second thing is if we are not able to cross the distal cap, then we will take the Gaia second wire, which is slightly stiffer to cross the distal cap. As you can see, we are just at the distal cap, and we need a little bit more backup here.
Dr. Shashikant, there is a request to stop over here. You
We have
can
crossed
continue
it.
the
We have
case.
crossed it.
Cine.
Okay,
Yeah.
please keep the images
Okay,
I will give you.
same.
Yeah, yeah.
Discuss in the evening. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, we have already crossed it.
Crossed the
We have
CTO.
crossed the CTO, if you can see it.
Can you see it live? We have crossed, run please.
Crossed.
Run
It's
it.
a simultaneous injection. We have crossed the CTO into the
Yeah,
run,
just
We
crossed.
can see.
and we will go into the vessel, and
Yeah,
we will
just
do
crossed.
we will do the balloon dilatation, and we'll share with you the final picture at a later point.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rajendra sir and Dr. Shashikant's team. We'll come back to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.